だし巻き卵! Delicious rolled egg omelette put in high-class bento. Hello, I'm Maru, a dog living in Tokyo, Japan. Today, I will make it by a normal fry pan. Ingredients: 3 eggs, fresh cream 1 tablespoon, tomato juice 1 tablespoon and a half, tomato ketchup half a tablespoon. This is just like an ordinary omelette. Will it be an Italian meal? And soy sauce 0.7 tablespoon or light soy sauce half a tablespoon. Light soy sauce is recommended. Incredible! You can make dashimaki omelette using tomato juice. Unmistakable Japanese taste. This is a dashi rolled egg. If you don't have bonito flakes or kelp, you can make it by tomato juice. When you are in abroad, it will be helpful. 3 eggs, tomato ketchup half a tablespoon, tomato juice 1 tablespoon and a half, soy sauce 0.7 or 0.5 tablespoon of usukuchi, light soy sauce. Light soy sauce is recommended. And fresh cream 1 tablespoon. Cut the eggs well with chopsticks. Heat the frying pan over a little high heat. Please enjoy the cooking sound from now on. When you eat a bite, you can feel the gentle warmth. Gentle warmth than an omelette. Wrap and store in the refrigerator. In the morning, put it in a lunchbox. It's delicious even when it is cold. Suitable for your family's lunch. Make it with a round fry pan and tomato juice. Dashi roll egg, dashi roll omelette. Easier than plain omelette. Rustic and plain taste of dashi rolled egg. If you think it delicious, please give us your like and subscribe to this channel. Reported by Maru, a quiet dog, only today. See you again!